This is the muzzle set. Now with these muzzles, they can be used within training or they can be used for real. They're good to have in a pet first aid kit because you've got a whole range of 5 different sizes so you can muzzle a dog. You need to make sure they get the right size. The important thing is to make sure that the narrow part is on the top of the nose. And now with this dog, it's one of our injury dogs, but so you'd normally not put a muzzle on if it's got injury or if there's any respiratory problems or damage to the mouth, things like that. But for this example, we're just showing you how it fits on there. Slides over the nose, and then you can just connect a clip at the back, push it in place, and there's an adjustment on there so you can make sure it's right. The advantage of it, if you need to, you can then literally just squeeze these and it will undo. So if you had to take the muzzle off in a hurry, it's very, very simple and easy to do. Make sure you said you've got the right size muzzle for the dog, and these kits come in a standard bag, and you can just pop those into any first aid kit. These kits are on our website at firstaidonline.co.uk, or you can email us at supplies@protrainings.uk.